Hey guys, I have a rear view camera in my car, but it's starting to break. So I got myself this Wolfbox G840S, mirror dash cam and backup camera. This is pretty awesome. It's very responsive. It comes with a GPS module as well, and it has its own memory card that's already included, which is really cool. It records the front and back video feed, which is really cool. 4K in the front and 1080p in the back, which is very clear, and it has really good night vision. Also, you could change like the backup lines, the guidance lines as well, and you can modify that, stretch it longer or shorter based on where you position that camera. Very cool, very responsive, and very bright for the screen. If you turn off the screen, it does reflect, so you can still use it as a mirror. But most of the time, you'll probably be just leaving it on. So you constantly see the front or back, or just the back. You can switch between the different views. Wiring the camera was very simple. Basically, you strap this thing on top of your rear view mirror, and you basically run the wires through the pillars and down. It took me about 2 hours to run all the wires through, and that took a little bit of time. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.